Hey yo, what's good YouTube? The boy Tim back again. So if you're new to the channel, consider liking and subscribe, right? So this is a continuation of the series I started not long ago where I bought a freshly monetized AdSense account with the website and I tried to run things on it. And this is me actually documenting the processes of doing it so that in case you're a newbie or you're starting up with the whole AdSense blogging journey, you're not going to find it difficult. And this is how I will actually do things if I'm to start from beginning. All right. So in the last episode, I was able to show you guys the site I bought, right? I bought it with AdSense account on it, rather with ads displaying on the site. And I decided to go with a UK account for no reason, right? I love pounds. It's bigger than the dollar and naira. So that's just my desired currency. And in case you can use UK, USA, Nigerian, any country account, it still works, right? So that was the one I got. I showed you guys the site. I showed you guys the content I'm putting on the site. And I told you guys that I intentionally decided to focus on a particular niche, which is trend and student related topics. Reason being that students are so interested in whatever that favors them, in order to get good grades and all of that. So with that, I was able to, dominate a particular community. And I showed you guys all of this, right? Enough of the whole bluffing. And in this episode, I'm going to show you guys how things are actually going on the site, how much we've made, what has happened, a lot of things, right? Just a quick update. And I'm going to be doing this until we're able to make our first withdrawal from this account. And probably I'll still be dropping other content before then. But that being said, let's quickly dive into my screen so that you guys will see things for yourself. The last episode I did, I think we had like $1 pounds or thereabout, or £2. But now things are probably not getting quite interesting, but things are making sense already. So this is my screen, and you can see that the warning to verify my account is already showing up. And this is the £4, or rather £3.77 that we made last month, and it's been balanced already. And the minimum threshold for withdrawal for pounds accounts is actually £60. And let's go to transactions, and okay, you can see that just 3 cents was deducted from the money, meaning that we made no invalid traffic. So mind you, I've not started running any ads on this particular account, no ads at all. Everything you're seeing here is partially organic, right? So what is actually going on the account? So what is going on is that we are currently serving ads limits. So yeah, let me give you guys a quick rundown on this ads limit. So this is the account, and today we made like £40. Sorry, I'm an Igbo man, pardon me. We made 40 cents, right? Okay, 48 cents rather. So you can see that we've got 272 page views with 25 clicks, right? Now, what is actually bringing in this topic? I told you guys that you can decide to focus on a particular community. Now, I'm focusing on my school, the school I graduated from, and then the state, right? And now, if you know very well, this is the period where they're writing WAEC, NECO, JAM, and all of that. Right, and a lot of these students are looking for where to get past questions, questions that will come out in their exams, answers to past questions, and so on and so forth, right? So you can decide to be posting something like that on your site. Now, when you post it on your site, you're going to share a lot of them on Facebook, on, stuff like that, right? Now, LinkedIn is there for you where you can post content relating to jobs. This is the one that actually gives me a whole lot of traffic. Okay, so I have some people that I actually showed how to do this. So they make consistent posts on the site. They actually share the posts massively to all the social platforms anytime they make the potentially trendy ones. And it helps us to get these guys coming into our site. Now, mind you, we are not actually trying to make the most amount of money from this account as it stands now. In fact, we're not even trying to make amounts. We're not trying to make any money. We know how to make it count if we want to do that. But for now, we're just trying to warm up the site so that it will be able to carry out, it will be able to carry a certain number of traffic. I'm going to be walking you guys through some things that I've actually done on the site now to make it to be ready for AdSense arbitrage. Now, today, we kind of scaled up a bit. Now, scaling up a bit doesn't mean that we'll actually run ads on the site. We didn't run any ads on the site. We scaled up by dominating the WAEC NECO thing that is going on. And those guys, they are crazy. So a lot of them came into the site, and I feel like it's affected the traffic chart, right? So yesterday we got 40 page views. Last 7 days, we got like 600, right? 600. We've not really been doing much. You can see that the chart is actually on the downward trend, and because of this, we've not been able to we're not being consistent actually, because the people that work for me on this side, they are currently writing exams, so they're not really being consistent. Okay, so but today we decided to go into that niche of posting WAEC related topics. I'm not really gonna call it out a lot, but if you want a one-on-one tutorial on or mentorship on that, I don't actually do mentorship again. But if you need that, you can message me on Instagram. We can talk about that. All right. So this is it, and the last 7 days. That's 7 days. We got 600, right? And today alone, we are getting 600 only today alone. So this is if you observe what I told you guys in the last episode. Google value growth. They don't like going from 0 to 100 all of a sudden, right? Once it does happen, it triggers something in the algorithm. I don't know, but it triggers something that makes the bots to want to check your site and all of that. And when it happens, your site either gets limited, and when things escalate from there, it might get terminated. So I'm happy that it's played out this way, because if I was just saying it without actually showing you guys, it might look as if I am bluffing. But see how we try to scale up really fast. We didn't even hit the 1,000 pages, 10,000 pages that you can hit when you're running ads, and already we're facing the ads limit. That's because this account is still young, and this account is not able to carry this kind of traffic. So when a young account, or when your account is quite young and then you're trying to make all the money in this world, it's going to affect your account. And when it does, you're going to lose your account. So please, in order not to lose your account, in order not to face all these challenges, try not to force things, right? Try to observe that sequential growth, right? That up and down movement, let it make sense, right? Don't go and, push some massive traffic to a site that have not attained that height to carry those traffic. You can see how it was growing. If you check the last videos, you can see how it was growing. The robotic movement was growing, but after we dropped, the thing started dropping. So imagine after this drop, it now went up all of a sudden. So it doesn't really make sense. All right. So that was how we got limited today. So we got ads limit today. You can see the number of ads that you can show have been limited for one or more of your AdSense products. So where have we been getting our traffic from? So if you check, let me check for the last 7 days, you can see that the majority of the traffic comes from Nigeria, South Africa, and then the rest, right? So this is because we share on LinkedIn and Facebook. So anybody can pick interest from whatever you're posting, and they decide to come into your site, right? Now, the most important thing about this site is that it is currently showing us ads limits, but ads are still showing on the site. So I'm going to quickly show you guys the site. As always, I've always shown you guys this site because I don't want to actually hide things or do things behind the cam and then bluff with results. I mean, that's what a lot of us have always done. But then I want to actually, practically show you guys things. Okay, so let me quickly open a new tab and then search the site. So the name of the site is this, and so let's quickly enter the site. Okay, so I think they just posted not long ago. So we have a lot of posts on them. But all these posts were made today. So these are basically news, trending news, and things that people would probably pick interest on. And we're just trying to, post them. I'm going to go to the older ones to know if we'll see ads, right? Okay, so you can see that ads are still popping up on the site. So it's on ads limit, but not on total ads limit. Of course, as the name implies, ads limit, the ads has been limited. So the number of ads that will show on your site will reduce, right? You can see that this place is not being filled up. And this place too is not being filled up, and probably a lot of them too. Okay, so some IPs, Google will serve ads to some IPs, and some of them it will not serve ads to some of those IPs. So we're currently having these issues, but when this happens, you don't have to fear. You don't have any issues, right? You don't have any issues. The only issue you have is that spike happened. Now, sometimes when it happens, you are likely going to get terminated. It can happen. So when it happens, don't be like, okay, whatever you learned is not true. Google is just so dynamic. I always say that. So you might likely get terminated, but Most times you don't get terminated, right? Just continue with whatever you're doing, as long as you're not doing arbitrage, you're not doing anything with proxy, you're not doing anything black hat, you are just putting in good content and driving people to your site. You don't have any issues, right? So now when you're facing ads limit, what do? Keep posting, right? Keep posting fresh content, like consistently every day on your site, more content on your site. When you're doing this over time, Google is going to leave the ads limit from your site and they're going to start serving ads again on your site, and you continue from wherever you stopped. So you can see that ads are showing here, but not on all the whole articles, right? Okay, not on all the articles. Okay, so you can see we are not limited, so we are still going to continue, because sometimes when people get limited, they just abandon the site or they remove all the whole articles from the site. Bro, you're wasting your time. So just keep posting on the site and keep doing what you're doing. As long as what you're doing is clean, then you're good. Okay, another thing that we're actually doing here is that we're banking our traffic. So how do we bank our traffic? We created a WhatsApp channel, Telegram channel, and at the end of every post, we'll be like, click here to join our WhatsApp channel. So with this, we actually, retarget people later on when we make subsequent posts. Okay, so this is how you actually grow a site, than trying to push all the money into the site and then you harm yourself. So with that being said, that's a quick update, and you can see today we'll make £40. Damn, good boy. 40 cents rather. And yesterday we made 0.14, and last 7 days we made 90. £1 this week, right? £1 this month rather. So the CPC is still very bad, 0.02, and we'll have 25 clicks, right? Okay, so this is just a quick update, and I believe you guys got a lot of values from here, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Okay, like I said, if you need a monetized website, freshly or payment receipt, hit me up on Instagram or WhatsApp if you have my WhatsApp line, or if this one is not enough for you and you still want someone to walk you through step by step, then you can reach out to me. I will mentor you, right? So with that being said, I want to see you guys in the next video. Stay safe and peace out.